It is starting to rain. Let's just touch the water once so we know it's real. Hello.
Hi. No.
I said I just want to put my feet in once so I know it's real. It's so beautiful here. It doesn't even look like anything I've ever seen. I've never been up here before.
Oh, wow.
It's so pretty. Oh, we're from Chicago. I'm from Elmhurst.
Okay.
But it's right next to Chicago.
Yeah.
So not too far. What about you?
Northwest suburbs.
Yeah, okay, nice. This is really nice. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Really? People don't swim in here? Really? But it's probably got to be a lot hotter. Well, it probably makes a difference when the air temp is super hot. Yeah, then you get used to it. I'm surprised you can't see Chicago. You can? Is that a grapefruit? Come on, let's go before it starts raining. Wait, give me a hand.
Go up this mound right here.